Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault. I'm here at Pearl Yamaha Kondapur, and guess what, today I'm here to feature the Monster Edition that has been launched for the FZ25. Now I've already done a detailed first ride review of the FZ25, so this is just an update walk around of the new Monster Edition that has been launched. So let me run you through the quick overview of what the FZ25 has on offer. But if you want to check out my detailed first ride review, please follow the link mentioned in the description portion below. So now let's get started with the walk around virtual tour. So this is the Monster Energy Edition, kind of derives its graphics from the MotoGP bike that's currently participating in this season. I love the graphic here and the contrast between the blue and black. The FZ looks best in the blue and black kind of paint scheme, and you have the Monster branding here. Powering the bike is a single cylinder 250cc oil cooled fuel injected BS6 compliant engine that puts out around 20.8 PS of max power and 20.2 Newton meters of max torque. You get a 5-speed gearbox. You have Yamaha's patented Blue Core technology, which kind of optimizes combustion efficiency and gives you a perfect blend of power and economy. You get a 140 section rear tire, and these are tubeless tires, but these are not radial tires, I believe. Let me check. So yeah, MRF Nilo Grip Zappers. So I wish they had offered a radial rear tire, but this is one of the lightest 250cc street fighters in our market. Weighs a mere 153 kilos. So that is what makes it super agile and super easy to manage and flick around in the city. You have the satisfaction of owning a quarter-liter street fighter from the house of Yamaha, and it is well equipped. As well, we get 41mm front forks for good front end feel, nice planted feel and plush ride quality through the city conditions. The braking is good. We get a massive 282mm front disc and a rear disc, and we also get dual channel ABS as standard. So the braking is well taken care of. You get a good amount of stopping power. I also like the way the exhaust has come out. It almost gives us the feeling of a pulse cannon, and you have a rear tire hugger. The tail lamp kind of looks very neatly laid out, almost similar to the first gen FZ25. It's an LED unit right here, and looks neatly integrated into the tail section. Definitely does rev your heart. It's one of the most sensible and versatile quarter-liter street fighters. I wish they would have offered LED turn indicators as standard, but you have the option of going with them as an add-on accessory. This is a clear lens indicator. So apart from this, you have a 14-liter tank that offers good tank range, and I love the golden Yamaha logo, the Ineos logo, and you also have a neatly integrated engine cowl. So the swing arm is kind of a box section swing arm that offers good kind of high speed stability and also good handling characteristics. Then you also have a neatly laid out monoshock, which works in conjunction with the chassis to offer great handling and great balance, and also superb high speed stability and cornering stability and great maneuverability and flickability in city traffic conditions. I also love the way the alloy wheels have come out, neatly laid out alloy wheels. You also have a single horn. I wish they had offered a twin horn mechanism, but this is what we get. Switch gear is well laid out. You get a high beam flasher, engine kill switch, dual throttle cable system, which offers smooth, linear, consistent acceleration across the rev band. You also have a neatly laid out speedo console. It's a negative display, kind of a little challenging right underneath the sun, but white backlit display would have been better in my opinion. But overall, this is pretty decent for the kind of price you pay. It starts at around 135,750 for the standard color. This Monster Edition is 137,750. So it's just a 2 grand increment. Here you have a quick summary of the 8 sensors that we get on board the FZ25. You have a throttle position sensor, intake air pressure sensor, intake temperature sensor, oil temperature sensor, crank position sensor, lean angle sensor, the speed sensor, and an O2 sensor. Now these, majority of these are seen in almost all motorcycles, but apart from that you have fuel injection on board. So the Blue Core technology working in conjunction with the fuel injection ensures every drop of fuel is optimized and you get best mileage, consistent throttle response, and better refinement when compared to other motorcycles in this segment. So this is a quick overview of the FZ25 Monster Edition. This is how it looks. You also have the engine cutoff feature for the side stand, which is an added safety feature. You can see this. So this really is a life-saving feature because many of them forget to remove the side stand. So side stand engine cutoff feature, the vehicle will refuse to start if the side stand is on, or if it is in gear it will immediately stop before you start commuting. So that I feel is a good safety feature to have on board. So that's pretty much it. This summarizes my quick fire walk around overview of the FZ25 Monster Edition. If you like what you see and want to see more, please feel free to comment, like, share, and stay subscribed for more action right here at Dino's Vault. Again, the pricing 137,750 ex-showroom here in Hyderabad. You can get in touch with your local Yamaha showroom to know the exact ex-showroom price in your city. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.